This is Embracing Digital This Week with Dr. Darren and Paige Pulsifer.
This week's top stories.
It's a new year and tons of new things happening this year. Let's start with a dive into the world of artificial intelligence, shall we?
Absolutely. AI is really making waves these days, isn't it?
It sure is. For example, harnessing generative AI can seriously amp up creative problem solving at work.
Right. It's like having a brainstorming buddy who never runs out of ideas.
Exactly. By getting comfortable with AI tools, teams can spark new levels of innovation. Efficiency doesn't come alone. It also encourages that out-of-the-box thinking.
Plus, I love the idea of viewing AI as a partner. You remember how kids look at their first bike? Excited, yet a little scared?
Exactly, but instead of falling over, you unlock potential.
Which brings up something intriguing. Did you hear that some are discussing AI's ability to deceive?
Oh, that's juicy. Some experts argue that this might actually indicate higher cognitive functions.
Right. It's like AI is saying, hey, I can think too. This raises some important ethical questions, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Understanding AI's potential for deception is crucial for both developers and users.
Speaking of groundbreaking, check this out. AI is helping the Orange County Fire Authority detect brush fires more effectively.
That's amazing. Using advanced algorithms to analyze data sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
I know, right? It's not just about the tech. It's about protecting communities and being proactive.
Integrating AI in public safety shows just how powerful these technologies can be. It's like having superpowers.
Superpowers with ethics at the forefront, though. All in all, it's clear that AI has a transformative role to play.
Well said, Paige. Embracing this tech could lead to some phenomenal outcomes.
Here's to our digital buddies. May they always inspire creativity and safety.
So, Paige, did you hear about the recent report on high pay compliance? It turns out that the rules are more stringent than ever when it comes to protecting patient data.
Oh, absolutely. It's a constant reminder for healthcare organizations. I mean, who wants a major fine or a damaged reputation, right?
Exactly. And with all these cyber threats popping up like weeds, staying compliant just can't be on the back burner.
Speaking of threats, did you hear about the Industrial Cybersecurity Coalition? They're really stepping up to protect our critical infrastructure.
Yes, they're encouraging collaboration across various industries. It's like a techie superhero team fighting against cybervillains.
Ha! Love it! Tech superheroes saving the day. They need capes or something.
Or at least some really cool gadgets.
But really, with the way cyber threats are evolving, their initiatives are more crucial than ever. It's like they're sounding the alarm bell.
And speaking of alarms, I read about Chinese hackers breaching the US Treasury. That's a major breach.
Yikes, that's terrifying. I mean, if they can infiltrate that level of government, what about the average business?
It raises serious national security concerns. We're talking about sensitive information here.
Totally. The public's trust in government cybersecurity is at stake. What a mess.
Indeed, and all these breaches serve as a rude wake-up call for everyone to bolster their security measures.
So, let's all put on our best cyber capes and fortify our defenses, shall we?
Absolutely. We might even need a cybersecurity family meeting to brainstorm ideas. Let's shift to cloud computing news. The cloud architecture landscape is gearing up for some serious shakeups by 2025. It's exciting, right?
Absolutely. AI, edge computing, and serverless architectures are going to transform everything we know about cloud options.
Right? And with businesses demanding more adaptable solutions, cloud providers are really stepping up their game.
It's like a race to the future, but everyone's wearing different shoes.
Exactly, and this shift is expected to enhance operational efficiency and help cut costs. Who doesn't want that?
I mean, if only our Amazon shopping budget could take some notes from those cloud savings.
In addition to that, the trend toward hybrid cloud solutions and improved security measures will play a big role.
Not to mention the push for AI and machine learning adoption. Seems like cloud computing is getting a major upgrade.
Exactly. These advancements are all in pursuit of more efficient and resilient data centers. A win for everyone.
Speaking of advancements, did you hear about Oracle's new Zetascale cloud computing cluster?
Yes, that's a game changer. Deploying in 2025 means they're ahead of the curve for high-performance computing.
They're tackling the demand for high data management solutions like PROS. It's like giving a turbo boost to data processing.
Exactly. And with scalability being so crucial for organizations, it seems like a smart move to optimize costs.
Looks like Oracle is positioning itself at the cutting edge of cloud advancements. I'm here for that.
Feels like we're just getting started with all these innovations, huh?
Oh, for sure. The future is looking bright and digital.
So have you caught the latest episode of Embracing Digital? They're diving into digital transformation in education.
Oh, absolutely. It's fascinating how technology is changing the way kids learn, right? I mean, who thought we'd see learning environments go all sci-fi?
Exactly. Experts in the episode talk about enhancing student engagement through tech. Can you believe how far we've come? Remember when just using a projector was cutting edge?
Right? And now we have tablets, interactive whiteboards, and even AI tutors, which makes me wonder if we'll see holograms in classrooms next. Imagine that. 10-year-olds teaching math.
Some of our grandkids would probably give you a run for your money, though. But really, they discuss how this all prepares future leaders.
Totally. I mean, technology isn't just about the gadgets. It's the strategies for integrating them into schools that really matter, right? Did they share any tips?
Yes, they highlighted some effective strategies. It's all about creating an immersive environment where tech complements traditional teaching.
Makes sense. You've got to bring students into the mix, keep them engaged, especially in today's fast-paced world.
Absolutely. If you're in education or just interested in how tech is reshaping the classroom, it's worth tuning in.
For sure. Because if we can't keep up with the times, those children will have to teach us a thing or two, won't they? That's it for Embracing Digital this week. If you've enjoyed this episode, check out our full-length weekly podcast, Embracing Digital Transformation.
And check out our website, embracingdigital.org. Until next week, go out and embrace the digital revolution.